PMLN has pointed out 14 misdeeds of former President Pervez Musharraf in its charge sheet. General Pervez Musharraf imposed martial law in the country twice, subverted the constitution and violated the oath taken by him as army chief. Musharraf planned and undertook the Kargil misadventure, concealing it from the elected government and sacrificing some 800 army officials. Pervez Musharraf used Pakistan Army as his personal force, tried to corrupt it and gave promotion to his blue-eyed officers. He pushed the army into an undeclared war against its own people without seeking approval from the Prime Minister, Cabinet and Parliament. Musharraf is also accused of blackmailing and he subjected different people to torture and abuse, using the National Accountability Bureau to form a political party with the name of PMLQ. He got Nawab Akbar Bugti killed to implement the threat he had earlier hurled on him. Thousands of Baloch political workers were made victims of enforced disappearance. Various Baloch leaders including Akhtar Mengal were implicated in false cases and jailed. The Lal Masjid was attacked on the pressure of external powers, resulting in the death of hundreds of innocent students. The military dictator abducted, handed over and sold thousands of Pakistani citizens. No one till today knows where these people are. General Musharraf made billions of rupees as his close associates got massive contracts from NHA, OGDC and PIA besides earning billions of rupees in defense deals. Musharraf illegally deposed the Chief Justice of Pakistan, Mr. Justice Iftikhar Muhammad Chaudhry, subjected him to torture and unlawfully confined him along with his family. Circumstances hint that General Musharraf had played inevitable role in the ruthless killing of 48 people and burning of lawyers in Karachi on 12th May. Similarly, more than 150 lives were lost on 18th October when former Prime Minister Benazir Bhutto returned to the country. On 5th October 2007, General Musharraf issued the worst ever law, the NRO, for protection of corruption. He perpetuated his illegal rule through an unconstitutional referendum and a so-called vote of confidence from the Electoral College. While PMLN wants that Musharraf should be contacted through the Interpol and should be brought back to the country, he should be tried for his misdeeds. Invocation and execution of Article 6 of the Constitution for the purpose to penalize him against his crimes against the Constitution of Pakistan, the State of Pakistan and the people of Pakistan. Formation of a commission on the Kargil so that those responsible for the misadventure could be brought to book. Constitution of an independent commission for purpose to probe into the violence occurred on 12th May. Penalization of General Musharraf for violation of the human rights in lieu of NRO, abductions, massacre, disappearance of people and putting curbs on the media. Transformation of his resignation into dismissal and revoke his entire fringe benefits, facilitations and immunities which he is currently enjoying as a retired army chief.